Boulder Creek, originally founded during the logging boom of the mid-1800s. Today, this vibrant community still reflects its historic past, and our newest listing is just 4 miles away.
Welcome to 599 Lilac, your redwood escape that borders the San Lorenzo River.
Look at these wood beam ceilings. This house has so much to offer. It is all on a single level, open floor plan, wood dual pane windows, granite counters. The best part, it's all on half an acre. Tucked in the redwoods, right on the river.
What a setting. This is the perfect place for entertaining.
And let me tell you about the location. We are right here north of Bear Creek Road, easy access to Highway 35, drop into Saratoga, Cupertino, Mountain View. You gotta come check this out.
Great location. Plus, you're just a short drive from one of California's most iconic state parks, Big Basin.
Call us today if you're ready to recharge and enjoy this mountain lifestyle.